This is a commercial cleaning robot that is also suitable for offices and corridors. We have tested the cleaning effect on the terrazzo floor in the corridor. Wet stains like coffee can be cleaned at one time. The cleaning robot has built-in laser navigation and automatically avoids obstacles, and autonomously planning the cleaning path. 𝐭-shaped cleaning path. The cleaning area is fully covered. The equipped smart app can understand the running status of the cleaning robot in real time. This cleaning robot can clean 3 cm along the wall without missing some dead ends. Now let's see how it works through animation.